Oh boy. That influence. I think he's still drunk from last night, no? 8:30 in the morning. Yeah, 8:30.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Cebu.
Cebu.
Yeah. This is officially the earliest I've drank in many years. Many years.
You're the friend now.
Because Ray's
not here.
yeah. So I have to fill in for Ray. Time check is 8:34.
Wow.
Yeah.
AM.
And we've almost finished the bottle in less than 5 minutes. That influence. Raise the sawa. There's my little mud princess. How was the walk? How was the walk?
It's fine.
Yeah? Okay. You would never guess it's 8:40 in the morning. Toy?
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay, what is that?
Bear.
Huh?
Bear.
But we just finished one.
One. One more.
It's
One.
8:45 in the morning now. I mean, what's the story of that guy?
Ang kwento ni Bukeke. Yung manorita nila.
Parang.
May sira sa ulo.
Yeah.
Parang.
Like, too much drinking, no? No?
Ba. Mo drink.
Tuba.
Tuba. Sanduay.
Tandua, yeah.
Ano?
Red horse.
Anything.
Everything.
Drink.
So his brain is completely fried, yeah. Drunk always.
Yesterday, I'm going with Mira to get a chicken food up there, right?
Yeah, I know.
I saw him on the side of the road, like doing like this to the motorcycle and cars.
Oh, yeah.
And then we passed by to the other side. Like he was going to go to our side. That's why we go back, and then I told Mira to run.
Yeah, good.
So because remember before he already grabbed me?
Yeah, I know. I said that already. And I told him if he did that again, I was going to knock him in the head. Yeah. I said once, you get one freebie.
No.
You get one.
Bazi maroon.
Where's your guy? Where's your guy?
Oh, I'm so. Sumpa man.
Baracho.
Di pa. Konti lang, pag ganun.
How do you say in Tagalog?
Gamay. Yung.
Baracho. Ure. Pistache. Huh?
Hobog.
Obo?
Hobog.
Tubog.
Hobog.
Obog. Obog. Okay, kind of like hobo.
Hobog. Lasing.
Lasing. Uh-oh. Hello. Welcome to the wedding. Nice cake. Finally. Depends. Where did the cow, the beef come from?
Doon sa malayo. Doon sa
Bar?
malayo pa.
Did they buy a whole cow or part of a cow?
Sa kanila. That's theirs.
Who?
The guy.
Ah, it's his cow? It was his cow? Huh? So it's the groom's cow. Tito is on fire. That boy is on fire. Well, there's your single ladies, guys. My drinking buddy, but it's been a long time since we drank. That guy? Hi. They actually did that in France too. Pin money to the jacket of the groom. Interesting.
Oh, you're in the Philippines.
What are all the different cakes they have?
They have a red velvet, ube, chocolates, and
chocolate. I didn't get the chocolate.
I gave it to you. You said it tastes like ube.
Yeah, it did taste like ube.
At last, welcome back.
No idea. And why are there so many people? Huh? Maybe that's the PLDT. Oh, you know what? I think it is. For the whole, it goes up the road. That's what my last video. You didn't see the video I did? The PLDT poles go all the way up. I know. She doesn't say hi anymore though. She's snobby now. Yeah, some of you might have seen the PLDT video I did. Lo and behold, it looks like they're... I don't know why they're in the trees though. Maybe temporarily hold it up off the ground. I don't know. How are you? Good? Kamusta ka? Okay lang, okay. It doesn't have to be for Tanduay? Well, we could still get one for that guy, right? And then two for Tito and... You want a... You want or no? Do you want? Tito, you want? Yeah? Maybe we... The guy in the orange pants?
Baso.
Oh, ano na sila? Pang cheers. Ano sila? Baso pang inom. Sige.
We got some Tanduay over there. Tanduay spotting. Huh? No, over there. Over there, far. Tanduay. I can spot the... Oh yeah, there he goes. He's gonna take a shot right now. Yeah, he already drank it. Oh, me or you? Me or you?
Yeah. Huh?
Wow. And two.
Oi, unyara may mainam, mahorot na. Oi, gimbal ni pa. Jom, unyara may mahorot ko na rin. Unyara may mainam, magtuba o mahorot. Ako na, bailo, kamo na ko na rin.
Those are the two guys from the other video to make tuba.
Down.
I know.
It's like drinking vinegar. Vincent, what do you have? What do you have, baby? Bottle of dirt? That's better than what came in it originally. Karaoke machine. That's more than karaoke, like party or something. Well, yeah, I'm not sure why they're doing it that way. There's a hole at the top of the pole there.
Yeah, to hold it.
Well, I thought that they would put it through, but it's probably more complicated, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. It's hanging down over there, too. Yeah, don't have much choice about that.
Absolutely. Great job.